Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me this pattern. I changed the text to make it thicker so it'd show up better on the video. But they were using the Intersect tool and they had a question for me. There's no outline on this. And let's say they did a lot of steps and erase this. And then they save this and then they come back the next day and they want an outline around it. Well, you can't just click an outline on this object. But what they can do at a later point, at any point, and see this has some watermarks on it, they can go to object and ungroup it. Well, let's break it apart first. And now let's select them all. And you see the boundary tool opens up and you can put a boundary around it. Now you can make it black. Let's make it thicker so you can see it. But you could not do that before because you couldn't put a boundary around it. So like right now, well, it's not back to where it was. There's back to where it was. The well tool doesn't open up. You can't put a boundary on it. You can't do anything. But if you will go to object and break it apart and then selecting it all, well, you don't have to do that. Let's say you just want to run that one letter. No, you've got to select them all to do the boundary tool. And now you have a boundary. We could move that boundary out of the way just so you could see what I'm doing. And then you could make that boundary black and now your pen tool comes up and you can make it any thickness you want and put it back. So yes, you can put an outline around a intersect at a later date. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.